Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma, where we specialize in real estate investments in the Oklahoma City and Tulsa markets. It's another one of my Monday impromptu videos just to kind of give you an update on the market. I've been on an extended vacation, so I haven't done this in about 3 weeks, but here I am, I'm back. And the market looks really good right now. June is the strongest month out of the year in the Oklahoma City and Tulsa real estate markets. It's where school is out, everything is warm, everything's green and flowers. Everybody is ready to do something, either rent a property or buying something to live in and own. And that means to a lot of people, well, I can't find deals. That's not true. We have deals right now for people in about 4 different neighborhoods. And the reason why I say that is builders, when they're building out these multi-neighborhoods, in other words, multi-section neighborhoods, let's say it's 5 sections, and they're at section 5 and they have anywhere from 3 to 5 houses left, what happens is it's cheaper to discount the homes than it is for them to keep an open house open every day, pay the utilities, pay people to be in those homes. They'd rather go ahead and sell these out, shut it down, and go to the next neighborhood. And so we have homes as low as around $205,000 for a 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. Brand new, and that is exceptional when you consider the price of an average home in the United States is about $428,000, so about less than half the price. So we want you to know, if you're investing right now, and of course this is prime season, these are great deals for you. Now we have another builder, which is D.R. Horton. We have a neighborhood where they're offering you 5.75% fixed rate for an investor. That's lower than the current rate of 6.125. And they're going to throw the garage door opener, the blinds, and the fence in if you buy at this time. So we're getting these deals. And a lot of it has to do with the fact that I've been selling these homes with these builders for a long, long time. We have favored nation status, as they say. We are one of their prime clients, and so they want to make deals for us. So we want you to be aware of that. Now, that's Oklahoma City. Now, in our Tulsa market, we are still 3 weeks later at 0 vacancy. We are putting people in homes as fast as we can sell them and close them. And I've never seen anything like this in my 36 years of real estate. I've never seen a 0 vacancy. But it's still going on in Tulsa. The supply and demand is in your favor. The cash flow naturally is going to be outstanding since there's a limited amount of homes. So Tulsa is also a very strong market for you, not necessarily discounted, but low vacancy, maybe no vacancy. That is what's going on in the Tulsa market. Now, an update on duplexes, which has been a hot thing for us this year. We have sold a lot of duplexes. We've had 4 neighborhoods that we've offered in 2025. 2 neighborhoods are now officially sold out. In other words, no more duplexes are available. We still have 2 more duplex neighborhoods that are available. One that is starting construction as we speak. It's a fantastic neighborhood, a lot of expensive homes around it, no duplexes in that immediate area, great school system. So that is available also, as well as another neighborhood that's just coming right behind it. So that's an update on Oklahoma City. Rates are coming down again. We've got great deals, discounts, 0 vacancy in Tulsa, duplexes available. At the end of the description of this video, you'll see an email address if you'd like more information or to schedule a Zoom meeting with us. We hope to hear from you soon. It's a great time to buy. Things are going well.